Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are very much fine and you are preparing for your exam in a very well and systematic manner. So this is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. So I am here with you with another episode of Winners series. So in this series we are going to discuss some curated questions designed on the latest patterns. So without wasting time, going ahead, before starting I would love to tell you we are already running, or we are having a batch which has already started from 4th of November, targeting SSC CGL tier 2. Name of the batch is 40 days MCQs course, right? If you are preparing for the tier 2 exam and your target is tier 2 exam, and if you want to clear it, you want to gain confidence, you want to have a rapid and quick revision of the complete syllabus in a nutshell without any disturbance, so this is the right batch for you. In this batch you will get 70 plus live classes, you will get 1500 plus MCQs questions. All questions are curated and based on the latest pattern. So this is the best batch for you. Without wasting time, here we go. First question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying on a certain sum, the difference between compound interest and simple interest at 10% per annum for 2 years is rupees 250. Then find the principal. See, we have to find the sum. So all of we know the formula, and we have a direct formula for this question. The formula which is going to provide you the difference between CI and SI for 2 years, right? CI and SI difference for 2 years. So we have direct shortcut, or we can say formula for this. Difference is going to be PR square divided by 100 square, right? So D stand for difference between CI and SI, P means principal, R means rate, 100 square, right? So directly we can put the values in the formula and get the answer, right? So what is the difference? Difference between CI and SI is equal to 250. So we can take 250 for the difference. What is the principal? So we have to calculate the principal. Now what is the rate? Rate is 10% into 10 divided by 100 into 100 simply. So we have to calculate it. So we can say that 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So we can say that principal is going to be 25000, right? So 25,000 is the right answer. So 25,000 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all. So please write in the comment box, is this clear or you got the right answer? So please participate in the discussion. Until unless you are not participating in the discussion actively, you wouldn't be able to grasp the concept with 100%, right? So if you want to learn the things with 100% with accuracy, if you want to gain the speed, so just please be involved in the discussion, and also please like and share the session as well. Yes, very good, very good. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, this question belongs to profit and loss part, right? So here the question is saying Paras sold his goods for rupees 960 at 33.33% profit. Find the price at which he must sell his goods so that he earns 20% profit, right? So previously Paras was getting 33.33% selling his goods at rupees 960. So now question is demanding what would be the selling price if he wants to earn only 20% profit, right? Only 20% profit. See, So we can do one thing. So we can use here, we know that 33.33% is equal to in fraction what? 1 upon 3. So base is always related to cost price, right? So the base of profit is cost price. So we can say that denominator is going to represent the base. So the base here is cost price. So 3 unit is the cost price and numerator is going to represent the profit, right? Because we are having fraction from the profit percentage, right? So if 3 unit is the cost price, so 1 is the profit. So we can say that 4 unit is the selling price, right? 4 unit is the selling price, right? So with this help, we can say that 4 unit is equal to 960. Now what is the cost price? So what is the cost price? So what is the value for 1 unit? So value for 1 unit is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, that is 240, right? So into 240. Is this clear? So we got 720, right? So we got 720. So this is the cost price. This is the cost price. Now we have to earn 20% profit. So what would be the new selling price, right? So new selling price is going to be 720 into 20% profit means 120%, right? 120%. So directly we can say that 0 0 cancel, right? 24 carry to 84 and to 86, right? Or we can say that the cost price is, see, cost price is how much? 720, 20% profit. We know that 10% is what? 10% is 72. So 20% is what? 72 into 2. So directly we can say that profit is going to be how much? 144, right? So 468 is the selling price. Or we can do like this. Got the point? Yes, you are right. Very good. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So we can say that 864 is the right answer. 864 is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 140%, if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 140% and the denominator of the fraction is decreased by 20%, is decreased by 20%. See, the numerator of a fraction is increased by 140% and the denominator of the fraction is decreased by 20%. The resultant fraction is 12 by 7. Find the original fraction. So please find the original fraction. Yes, please. Please find the original fraction. Yes. So we can say that let the original fraction is x by y, right? So x is the numerator, and y is the denominator, right? X is the numerator and y is the denominator. See, now the question is saying numerator of a fraction is increased by 140%. If I increase a number by 140%, it is going to be 240% of itself, right? We know that the concept of percentage or 100 base concept of percentage, if I increase a value by 10%, so it becomes 110% of itself. If I increase a number by 20%, it becomes 120% of that number. If I increase a number x%, so it is going to be x 100 plus x%. So here directly we can say that the numerator, in numerator we are having a number x. So if I increase it by 140%, so x is going to be 240% of itself, right? And if I decrease, denominator is being decreased by 20%, right? Here the question is directing us, denominator is being decreased by 20%. It means it is becoming 80% of itself, right? So directly we can say that this is going to be equal 12 by 7, right? This is going to be equal 12 by 7. So we can say that by 80% this is cancelled one time and this is cancelled for 3 times, right? So by 3 this is going to be 4 times, right? So we can say that x by y is equal to how much? 4 by 7. 4 by 7. So we can say that x upon y is equal to 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. Yes, very good, very good. See, what is the value of 3 by 5 bracket sec square 20 degree minus cot square 70 degree? So let me tell you one thing. We must know that if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, if the sum of any two angle is equal to 90 degree, then we can say that then result is sine square A plus sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1, cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1, and sec square A minus cot square B is equal to 1, and cosec square A minus tan square B is equal to 1. So remember one thing, here the angle is different, right? Remember one thing, here the angle is different, A and B, A and B, A and B, A and B, right? And pair is sine, cos, sec, cot, and cosec and tan, right? So this is the conditional relation. Whenever you find the sum of angle is equal to 90 degree, so you can say that sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1, cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1, sec square A minus cot square B is equal to 1, and cosec square A minus tan square B is equal to 1. See, here we can say that the sum of angle is equal to 90 degree and sec minus cot. See, sec minus cot, so it is equal to 1. So directly we can say that 3 by 5 into 1. So the answer is D part, D daredevil is the right answer. Or we can also change it, we can write 70, 90 minus 2, right? So we can say that cot square 70 is equal to tan square 20, right? So it will become the identity. So we can also use one thing, cot square 70 is equal to tan square 20, right? Tan square 20. So we can also write this. So this will become cos square sec square 20 minus tan square 20, right? So this will become sec square 20 minus tan square 20. So we can also do like this, right? We can say that this is cot square 70 is equal to tan square 20. So we can say that in place of cot square 70, we are going to take tan square 20, right? So we can say that this is becoming the identity. Here the angle is same, right? Here the angle is same. So we can say that this portion is going to be equal 1. So the answer is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the right answer. Yes, you are right. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. See, we know that A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 bracket AB plus BC plus CA, right? So we can say that here we can say that A square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? A plus, or directly we can say that, see, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C square minus 2 AB plus BC plus CA, right? See, A square plus B square plus C square 0 square minus 2, the value of this is minus 11. So this is going to be 0 plus 22, right? So this is equal to 22. So B part is the right answer. 22 is the right answer. Yes, 22 is the right answer. Yes, you are right. So we can say that B is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, if I is the incenter of the triangle XYZ, if YIZ, angle YIZ is equal to 115 degree, then what is the angle YXZ? Then what is the angle YXZ? See, we have a triangle. See, this is the triangle, right? And the name of the triangle is XYZ. XYZ, right? And YIZ, I is the incenter. I is the incenter. See, I is the incenter. I is the incenter, right? So we can say that YIZ is equal to 115. YIZ is equal to 115, right? So we have to find the value of YXZ, right? YXZ. So we know that angle YIZ, angle made at the incenter, right, is always equal to 90 plus half of opposite. 90 plus half of opposite. So we can say that angle X by 2 is going to is equal to angle YIZ minus 90, right? So YIZ is what? So angle Y, angle X by 2 divided is equal to 115 minus 90 is equal to 25. So we can say that angle X is equal to 25 into 2. So that is equal to 50 degree, right? So 50 degree is the right answer. 50 degree is the right answer. Yes, we all know that angle made at the incenter. So I is the incenter. This is X, Y and Z, right? So angle made at the center, at the incenter, is always equal to 90 plus half of opposite angle. 90 plus half of opposite angle. If we remember this, so we can directly say that. What is the direct method? So direct method for solving this, when we have angle of incenter, right? Whenever we get angle of incenter, so take that. So that is 115. Now subtract 90. So you will get 25. So just double of it. Just take double of it, right? So this is the direct answer. So if you want to calculate opposite vertex angle when angle at incenter is given, when you have angle made at or subtended at incenter is given, so what you need to do, just subtract 90 from that angle and multiply by 2, right? Got the point? We have angle at incenter is 115, just subtract 90, so you will get 25. So whatever result you are getting, just take double of it, right? So this is the angle at opposite vertex, right? So angle X is equal to 50 degree. So we are not going to use the formula. So directly we can apply. Again summarizing, just subtract 90 from the angle subtended at the incenter, then whatever result you are getting, just take double of it, right? So we can say that 50 degree is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, this is the standard result. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. What is the answer of this question? See, triangle XYZ, triangle XYZ, I is the incenter and XYZ is 40. XYZ is 40. So this is 40 degree, right? So we have to calculate this angle, right? This angle. See, what is the angle of XIZ? XIZ. So this is how much? So this is equal to 90 plus half of opposite. So directly we can say that 90 plus 20, 110. 110 is the right answer. So we can say that B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if A is greater than B by 7 and B is greater than C by 16 and A minus B minus C is equal to 255, then what is the value of 3A plus C minus 4B? Yes, please tell me. What is the answer of this question? Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. See, A is greater than B by 7. So we have the relationship between A, B and C, right? So B is greater than C by 16. So we can say that the value of B, see, the value of B is equal to how much? C plus 16. And the value of A is 7 more than B. A is 7 more than me, B means C plus 16 plus 7. So we can say that A is equal to C plus 23. C plus 23, right? So A is equal to C plus 23, B is equal to C plus 16, right? And C is equal to C, right? See, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate 3A plus. So do not focus on this part, right? If you are focusing on this part, so you will end up in maths, right? You will do the question, but it will take a lot of time, right? So without focusing on the given question, so this is the experience, right? So after practicing many questions, you will understand which information you have to take, which information you have to consider, and which information you do not have to consider, right? So where you have to focus, where you do not have to focus, right? So you have to decide it, right? So this is the, we can say, some experience, or we can say this is based on the practice, right? Only through the practice you can identify at what you have to focus, at what you not have to focus, right? So directly we can put the value in 3A, right? So what is the value of A? See, according to A is C plus 23. So we can say that 3 in place of A. In place of A, we can put C plus 23, right? Plus C, right? No change in C, minus. At place of B, we can write C plus 60, right? C plus 16, right? So we can say that 3C plus 3 into 23, how much? So it is 69 plus C minus 4C minus 64, right? See, here you can see how it is easy, right? So 3C plus C, 4C minus 4C cancelled out. So 69 minus 64, he will get 5. So here we will get 5. Here we will get 5. So 5 is the right answer. See, there is no need to do much calculation, right? So yes, if you will take this given information, A minus B minus C is equal to 255. So no problem. You can calculate what is the value for C, what is the value for B, what is the value for A. And after putting that value in the given expression, you can get the answer, right? But this will waste your time, right? Your target is just to find the answer. You have to tick the right answer. How you are doing this? So you must do it by a smart approach, right? So there are always two approaches. One is labor approach, or we can say clerk approach, and one is officer like approach, right? So please try to adopt the officer like approach, because you are the officer. You are not going to be clerk, right? Is this clear? So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. So please think wisely. Think wisely. See, Vikram allows two successive discounts of 20% and 10% on mark price of a book, which is equal to a single discount of 252. Yes. See, this is the single discount, right? Then how much profit will Vikram get on that book if the cost price is rupees 600, right? So we can say that single discount percent is what? So we can calculate single discount percent. So single discount percent is equal to minus 20 minus 10 plus minus 20 into minus 10 divided by 100, right? So we can say that minus 28%, or we can say that discount is 28%. See, if discount is 28%, it means of MRP. So in that case, selling price is how much? Selling price is going to be, see, 28% of MRP, right? So discount is how much? Discount is 72% of MRP. Is this clear? So we know that discount is how much? So we can say that value of 28% we have 252, right? So here we can use the unitary approach. So directly we are not going to write all these things. So directly we can say that selling price is equal to what? Right? So 252 divided by 28 into 72, right? So directly we can calculate the, so by 4 this is cancelled 7 times, right? By 4 this is cancelled 18 times, right? By 7 this is cancelled 7 3 ja 21 and 7 6 ja 42, right? So selling price is going to be how much? 36 into 18, right? 36 into 18. Now tell me how much? So it is going to be 648, right? 648 is the selling price. Yes, 648 is the selling price. 648 is the selling price. See, the cost price is 600. So what is the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. So we can say that 648 minus 600 is equal to 48. 48 is the right answer. 48 is the right answer, right? Yes. Great. So we can say that 48 is the right answer. Okay. Is this clear? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So with this approach, we can calculate it in just 2 steps, right? No need to write each and everything. Okay. See, if you want to, if you have understanding of all these things, so no need to write all these things. Yes, please. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, before solving this question, we must know 2 properties and its application, right? We must know 2 properties. One is, see, we have the circle and this is the diameter. This is the diameter, right? Mn is the diameter, Lm is the diameter. So one thing we must know that the angle subtended by the diameter in either segment at circumference is always equal to 90 degree, right? So this is always 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree, right? Is this clear? Angle made by the diameter at the circumference in either segment, right? It is always equal to 90 degree. And we also know that if in a triangle 2 sides are equal, if 2 sides are equal, so their opposite angles are also equal, right? Their opposite angles are also equal, right? So here we can say that, see, in the given figure, Lm is the diameter, right? Lm is the diameter. Lm is a diameter. If Lm is a diameter, so we can say that the angle LNM is 90 degree. LM is 90 degree, right? Yes or no? See, KL is a radius and KN is also radius, right? If both are radius, if this angle is 40 degree, see, MLN is 40 degree. So we can say that this angle is also 40 degree, right? Because sides are equal, their opposite angle will be equal, right? So we can say that what is the measurement of remaining KNM or MNK? So it is 90 minus 40. that is going to be 50 degree, right? So we can say that 50 degree is the right answer. Yes, 50 degree is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Moving to next question, tell me what is the answer of this question. Moving to next question, tell me what is the answer of this question. A honey making company sells honey in the plastic bottles on which the weight of honey is written as 1000 gram. The equal weight of the honey was found to be 960 gram. If the company gains 20%, then what would have been the gain percent if the actual weight of the honey were 1000 gram, right? Could you understand the question? Question is simply saying that a honey making company sells honey in a plastic bottle, and on the plastic bottle the written weight is 1000 gram. It means the company is claiming it is going to provide you 1000 gram, right? Company is claiming through the bottle the company is going to provide you 1000 gram, right? But when you are going to measure it, you find it is only 960 gram. Got the point? And the charges company is taking for 1000 gram, and company is getting 20% profit. See, if the company is getting 20% profit, it means that 20% is what? 1 by 5, right? So this is the given quantity. So base is given quantity, right? So base is given quantity, and this is the profit. This is the profit quantity. So we can say that 5:6, right? 5:6. So 5 is the given quantity and 6 is representing the charge quantity, right? So we can say that 5 is equal to how much? See, 5 is equal to how much? Company is given 960, right? So how much time? So dividing by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 5 2s are 10. So what is the value of 6? 6 into 192, right? So 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 9s are 54, plus 1, 55, carry 5, 6 1s are 5, 11, right? It means company is charging for 1152 gram, right? Now the question is, if company provides 100 gram, right? So sorry, 1000 gram. If company is going to provide complete 1000 gram, company is going to provide complete 1000 gram, then what would be the profit? Company is charging for 1152 gram. Now you are getting 1000 gram. It means what is the profit quantity? So profit quantity is going to be 152 gram, right? 152 gram. So we can say that the actual profit percentage is equal to 152 divided by 1000 into 100, right? 0 0 cancel. So we can say that 15.2% is the right answer. So C part is the right answer. C, Chennai Express, is the right answer. Yes, I think this is very much clear to you all. Yes, I hope this is clear to you all. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. If in triangle ABC, see, if in triangle ABC, right, MN is parallel to BC. MN is parallel to BC. Here is M and N. Parallel to BC. If it is parallel to BC, so we can say that angle M is going to be angle B. Angle N is going to be equal angle C, because corresponding angle. So we can say that triangle AMN is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle AMN is similar to triangle AMN is similar to triangle ABC, right? The area of quadrilateral MBCN, the area of quadrilateral MBCN is equal to 130, right? 130 centimeter square, right? See, we have AN is what? 4. This is 5 units. So complete is what? 9 unit. So we can say that the ratio of AN divided by AC is what? 4 by 9, right? 4 by 9. So we can say that the ratio of area. So the ratio of area would be equal how much? So the area of triangle AMN divided by area of triangle ABC would be given by the square of their corresponding side ratio. So that is equal to 16 divided by 81, right? So what is the difference? See, so we can say that the complete area is what? 81, right? And this is area is what? 16, right? So we can say that, see, area of triangle AMN is to area of triangle ABC is 16 is to 81. So the difference is what? Difference is how much? Difference is 65, right? So this is representing the area of quadrilateral. The difference is going to represent the area of quadrilateral MNCB, right? Or we can say that MBCN, right? So difference is going to represent the area of MBCN. So we have the area of MBCN is, so we can say that 65 is equal to 130. How much time? 2 time, right? So the question is asking area for MAN. So area for MAN is equal to 2 times. So we can say that 32 centimeter square is the right answer. 32 centimeter square, C part is the right answer. 32 centimeter square is the right answer. Yes, 32 centimeter square is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, first is we have to focus on the table. Marks obtained by A in subject U. Marks obtained by A in subject U means this marks are 140% of the marks obtained by B in subject U, right? So we can say that question is asking 280 is what percent of 200 into 100, right? So we can say that this is equal to 140%. So first part is correct. And the average marks obtained by a student A and B in subject Q. In subject Q, the average marks of A and B is sum of total marks divided by 2, right? So it is equal to how much? 580 divided by 2. So this is equal to 290, right? So this is also equal. So both part are correct. So we can say that both first and second part is correct. Both first and second part is correct. So 290 is the right answer. Yes, 290 is the right answer. 290 is the right answer. 290 is the right answer. Okay. Yes, 290 is the right answer. So moving to next. A tree of height 21 meter is fixed on a side of the road. If the angle of elevation from the point to the top of the tree is 60 degree, then find the distance between the foot of the tree to the point on the ground. See, again very easy question. So here we can make the right angle. So angle is saying, see, 21 meter. So we can say that this is the tree, right? This is the tree. And its length is 21 meter, right? 21 meter. So angle is how much? 60 degree at the top of the tree. Is this clear? So here we can take the ratio of side. So here we can apply what is the 1060. 1060 is perpendicular upon base. So this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So this is how much? √3. So base is equal to 1. So hypotenuse would be equal to how much? This is equal to 2. Is this clear? I think no need to write this, right? So just write the ratio of 1060. So we know that 1060 degree is equal to √3 by 1. So this is perpendicular, this is base, right? So we know that √3 is equal to 21. So we can say that √3 is equal to 21. So what is the value of 1 unit? 21 divided by √3. Just making multiplied by root 3 or doing multiplied by root 3 in numerator and denominator. So we will get 21 root 3 divided by 3. So by 3 this will become 7 root 3. So 7 root 3 is the right answer, right? So A part is the right answer. 7 root 3 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the radius of the base of cylinder is equal to the radius of the cone. So we have, see the radius. So we have a cylinder. And we have one cone, right? So the question is saying the radius of the cylinder and cone is equal. And height is 5/6 times of the height of the cone. If the radius and height of the cone, radius is 60, it means both radius is 60. And the height of the cone, what is the height of the cone? That is 84. So what is the height of the cylinder? That is 5/6 of cone, that is 84. So by 6 that is 14 times. So we can say that height of the cylinder is 17, right? 70. So now the question is asking for the volume. Very easy question. What is the value of the cylinder? So we must know the formula, pi r square h, right? So volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h. So we can take the value pi 22/7 into r is 60 into 60. Then what is the value of h? That is 70. So by 7 this is 10 times. So we can say that 22 into 60 into 60 into 10. Is this clear? Yes. See, we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. What is the 1000 place? 1000 digits. So we can calculate it. 2 into 6. Right? 2 into 6. 12. 12, 2. So we must have 2 unit, right, at 1000 place. So we can say that without complete calculation, we can write A part is the right answer. We can take A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving to next. Yes, moving to next. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, what is the answer of this question? So we can write it 36x square minus 1 upon 6x is equal to 1. So we can say that 36x square minus 1 is equal to 6x. So putting the value or substituting the value of 36x square minus 1 in the given expression, we will get what? We will get 6x plus 24x divided by 3x, right? So here we will get 30x divided by 3x, x got cancelled. So we will get 10. 10 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, you are very much correct. D daredevil is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? See, sum of the two numbers is 308 and the ratio of the same two numbers is 37:40. So we can say that if we have the ratio, so we can say that the first number can be 37x and the second number is going to be 40x, right? So the LCM would be equal to how much? LCM would be equal to x into 37 into 40. Is this clear? So we have sum. So we can say that 37x plus 40x is equal to what? 308. So we can say that x is equal to 308 divided by 77, right? So by 77 it is cancelled how much time? By 6 times, right? 6 times. So x is equal to 6. So we can say that LCM is going to be 6 into 37 into 40. Is this clear? No, this is not 6 time. I think this is 8 time, right? So sorry, this is 8 time. This is cancelled 8 time. 856 का 6 5. Sorry, just cut it by 11. 7 time by 11. This is 28 time. So this is cancelled. 11 20, yes, by 7. So this is, sorry, this is 4 time. This is 4 time, right? So yes, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Yes, 4 time is the right. 4 time is the right. So we can say that the answer of this question is how much? 4 into 0, 4 7 ja 28, 2 12, 4. I think 5920 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. Yeah, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. What is the answer of this question? See, we can write it. See, we can write 2 minus 5a divided by 9a, right? So we can write it 2 by 9a, 2 by 9a, 2 minus 5a divided by 9a, right? So we can write this 2 by 9a minus 5a by 9a. A would get cancelled, so 2 upon 9a minus 5 by 9, right? So we can say that for complete 2 upon 9a minus 5 by 9 plus 2 upon 9b minus 5 by 9 plus 2 upon 9c minus 5 by 9. So this is going to equal 0, right? So taking constant part to the right side. So when taking 2 upon 9 common from, see, so we have 2 upon 9 common from the term, alternate term, right? So taking 2 upon 9 common, we will left with 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c, right? So this is equal to what? 15 by 9, right? So 9 got cancelled. So we can say that 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c is equal to 15 by 2, right? So C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, train A takes 35 minutes more than train B to travel a distance of 460 km. Due to engine travel, speed of train B falls by a quarter. See, due to engine travel, the speed of B, so the ratio of speed B initially, the speed B train initially was, suppose falls by quarter means originally it was 4 unit, now after accident it is less than 1, so it is going to 3 unit, right? If the distance is same, so we can say that the ratio of time taken by train B is going to be 3:4, means initially it is going to take 3 unit, now it is taking 4 unit, right? So see, so A takes, suppose initially B takes T time, right? Now at that time A is taking T plus 35, right? So the question is saying falls by a quarter, and so it takes 30 minutes more than A. So A is going to take T plus 35. So how much B is going to take? T plus 35 plus 30. So we can say that it is equal to T plus 65, right? So what is the difference of the time taken by B initially and now, that is 65 unit, right? Or we can say 65 minute, right? So we can say that here the time difference is what? 1. So 1 is equal to 65 minute. 1 is equal to 65 minute. So we can say that initially the time taken by train, B is equal to 3 into 65, that is 3 5 15, 195 minute, right? So now tell me, question is asking what is the speed of train A, right? So the speed of train A is equal to distance how much? 460 divided by time taken by A. Time taken by A is T plus 35. So T is equal to what? 195. So we can say that 195 plus, so this is in minute, 35, so divided by 60, right? So after calculating we will get how much? 460 into 60 divided by 230, right? So by 230, this is 2 times 2 into 60, so we will get 120. So D part is the right answer. Yes, D dear devil is the right answer. D dear devil is the right answer. Yes, D dear devil is the right answer. Okay, moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. So please write it and put the answer of this question in the comment box, right? So this is all for today. If you haven't downloaded the app, so please download it now, because this is going to be very useful to you, right? So you can have quick access to classes, free classes running at the app, right? If you want to connect with us on Telegram, so please you can join our official Telegram channel, and if you have any kind of query, so feel free to send the messages through this WhatsApp number. Note it down, right? So you can send your queries on the WhatsApp also, right? And if you want to prepare with us in a systematic manner, right? So what you need to do, you need to go to the website, oliveboard website, right? So just go to the oliveboard website, right? So right click on this. So after clicking you will get such kind of interface, right? So we have 48% off on the auspicious occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti, that is known as Prakash Parv also, right? So for this, for availing this benefit, for availing this offer, you have to apply the code GURU, GURU, for all courses, right? If you are looking for a particular courses, then go to the course section and click on the courses, right? After clicking course, you will get this information, this interface, right? So just scroll down, see. So these are the continuous or we can say these are the coming batches or running batches, right? So SSC CGL Tier 2 2024 crash course, right? And RRB NTPC crash course. After scrolling down, so you will reach to the 4th column. So here is the English medium courses, SSC plus railway, right? So the first, so score booster, right? So we are going to start score booster MCQs courses. This is targeting SSC CGL 2, right? SSC CGL 2, right? So this is a score booster batch, and this is totally English medium batch, and this batch is going to be start from 25th November 2024, right? So if you want to boost your performance, if you want to gain confidence, and if you want to check your preparation, so this is right batch, you can check it out, right? So 40 days MCQs batch already running, right? So we have covered many portion of this batch, right? And we have SSC foundation batch 2.0 if you are targeting for the next year 2025, so you can join this batch, right? So we have RRB NTPC batch, so you can check out all the batches, right, as per your requirement. And if you want to prepare for the complete or any exam, so it's better go for super elite, right? Check out the super elite section. So this is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much, love you all. and stay tuned with us. I come live at 5 p.m. on daily basis. So please do come in the classes, enjoy the classes, learn through the classes, because these are the classes free of cost. There is no charge, right? And all questions are curated one. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.